Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to upload music to Spotify. And this is quite simple. So first of all, we go to our desktop and make sure that you just created the file that you want to use just right here with all the songs in it. Then from here we go back to Spotify, and then from here we click on our profile picture and then go to settings. Then right here you have the option your library, and then we click here on show local files, turn that on. Then make sure that you turn off both of these. You can turn on this one if you want to throw all your downloads in Spotify. Now for now it's not necessary, so I turn this one off. And then we click on add a source. Now then I go to my desktop, and right now here you can see here the file Spotify. Now I click on Spotify and do OK. And right now we just added here at local files or Spotify file. So right now if I click on local files, you see here the option for all the files. And if I now click on gotta let you go, on the three dots, add to playlist, and then click on public playlist. Sorry, he's a little bit tripping. Now let's click on public. Right now, if you can see, we just add this to public playlist. And if I go to my public playlist, just right here, you can see that we just added the song right here. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.